Hello and welcome to this channel, Supermatics Online Math. In today's math tutorial, we shall be looking at the discriminant, application of the discriminant in quadratic equations problems. First, the standard form of quadratic equations is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. A, B, and C are coefficients. Also, the quadratic formula which gives the solutions of x in this equation is given by x equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now, the expression under the square root, b squared minus 4ac, is known as the discriminant, represented with d. So the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Now, the discriminant tells a lot about a quadratic function or equation, and there are about 3 different natures that the discriminant actually give of quadratic equations. The first one, when the discriminant is negative, it means that the quadratic equation has 2 imaginary solutions. When it is equal to 0, the quadratic equation has only one solution, or sometimes we say 2 equal roots. And finally, when the discriminant is positive, greater than 0, we say that there are 2 real solutions. Now let us apply the discriminant to solving this problem. The problem says find the values of m for which the quadratic equation mx squared plus m plus 1x plus m equals to 0 has equal roots. First, we're going to compare this with the standard form of quadratic equations, and when that is done, a is going to be m, which is the coefficient of x squared. B is m plus 1, that's the coefficient of x, and c is m, that is a constant term, or the term without any x. And the discriminant is given by d equals to b squared minus 4ac, which means that for this quadratic equation, the discriminant d is going to be m plus 1 squared minus 4 times m for a and times another m for c. Since the quadratic equation, according to the question, is said to have equal roots, that is, only one solution, then the discriminant must be equal to 0. This whole expression is equal to 0. Now let us expand the bracket and solve the equation in m, where m plus 1 squared is going to be m squared plus 2m plus 1. Then the product of 4m and m there is going to be 4m squared, and that's equal to 0. We're going to collect the like terms, where we have m squared minus 4m squared plus 2m plus 1 equals to 0. Negative 3m squared plus 2m plus 1 equals to 0. Then we look for the factors of this product. Negative 3, that is going to give the middle term when added together, positive 2. And that should be positive 3 and negative 1. So the quadratic equation is rewritten as minus 3m squared plus 3m, which is the first factor, minus m, the second factor, plus 1 equals to 0. Then from the first 2 terms, we can factorize negative 3m. Leaving us with m minus 1. And from the second two terms, we can factorize -1, leaving us also with m minus 1. That's equal to 0. And then factoring m minus 1, we have -3m minus 1 equals to 0. And by the zero product property, m minus 1 could be 0, or -3m minus 1 could be 0, such that m is either 1 when 1 is added to both sides, or -3m is 1. And finally, the possible values of m for the expression to have equal roots could be m equals to 1, or m equals to -1/3. And perhaps you are yet to subscribe. Do so right now and click on the notification bell for more updates from this channel. Thank you for watching the video.